Hi there. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to install iSpring Suite and activate your iSpring Suite Max trial and get access to your online workspace and content library. Let's begin by registering a new account online right from the website. Fill out your details here. Then enter the team name that will also be your workspace URL and select Create Space. You'll receive an email with login info and further instructions. Once your account has been created, click Start and you're ready to go. You'll see the onboarding tour. And on the last step, you'll be offered to install iSpring Suite. If you skipped it, don't worry. Just head on up to the User menu, then select Download Suite app. Or if you prefer, you can check your email to find detailed instructions and a download link. Once downloaded, click it to install. Once the installation is complete, select Create a Course to be redirected to the app. The iSpring Suite app will open and you can select Login with iSpring Space to get rolling. Now activate your account by entering your iSpring Space URL. If you're logged out of your iSpring Space account, you will also need to enter your login and password. Now you're all set. Once activated, you can start creating courses and get full access to the content library. And that's how to install iSpring Suite and get to work.